Hello peeps, Ricardo Campbell. If you're looking for a house in Jamaica to buy or sell, if you're looking to rent a unit or sell, I am available. I'm available from Westmoreland all the way to Ocho Rios and Kingston. Give me a call, 876-376-1027. Or you can reach my Florida number, 786-206-1544. Licensed broker in Florida, licensed realtor in Jamaica. Give us a call. Si hablo Espanol. We have someone to speak Spanish. Give us a call. Ricardo Campbell, Hoshing Realtors. Or you can go on the website. It's spelled Hoshing Realtors.com. Here up top. Hoshing Realtors.com. Been in business for years. I've been in business for 35 years. Call us. 876-376-1027, Jamaica number, or in Florida number, 786-206-1544. Also work in Georgia, Atlanta. Give us a call. We're available to serve your every needs. For a home sale, home buy, Airbnb, rental, or regular rental. For land grab, land purchase, land sale, land lease. Ricardo Campbell, HoshingRealtors.com. Yeah, man.